Armada raises $131 million to scale relocatable data centers for AI training at the edge. Imagine a world where cutting-edge computing power isn't confined to urban data centers, but can be deployed to the most remote corners of the globe. That's the vision driving Armada, a San Francisco-based innovator in mobile data centers, which has just secured a staggering $131 million in fresh funding. This strategic investment will fuel the expansion of its latest creation, the Leviathan, a megawatt-scale, relocatable data center designed to revolutionize AI training at the edge. But here's where it gets controversial. Could this technology shift the global balance of power in AI development? Let's dive in. Armada's Leviathan isn't just another data center. It's a game changer. The product, which the company claims delivers 10 times the compute power of its 40-foot Triton model, is housed in two 45-foot containers and a 20-foot liquid-cooled unit. One container holds GPU and CPU racks for processing, another manages power distribution, and the third ensures efficient cooling. What makes it truly unique? It's power agnostic. Whether it's natural gas, solar, or whatever energy source is available in a remote location, Leviathan adapts. This flexibility is a big deal for places where traditional power grids don't exist. The U.S. Navy is already testing Armada's Galleon family of data centers in hostile environments, using them to process data from drones and autonomous systems in disconnected regions. Dan Wright, Armada's CEO, explains that Leviathan's modular design allows it to be deployed in weeks, not years, and avoids the costly, time-consuming permitting required for traditional data centers. Priced at a small fraction of conventional facilities, it's a tempting option for organizations needing rapid, scalable AI training. And this is the part most people miss. Armada's mission isn't just about tech. The company has two bold goals. First, to bridge the digital divide by bringing AI capabilities to the 70% of the world currently excluded from hyperscale computing. Second, to ensure the U.S. leads in AI infrastructure, countering the rise of Chinese-developed systems. Wright calls this ensuring the world runs on the American AI stack. But should global AI development be tied to national interests? Or is this a necessary step to maintain technological sovereignty? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. The funding round, which brings Armada's total venture capital to over $200 million, includes new strategic investors like Pinegrove and Veritain, alongside existing backers such as Microsoft's M12 Fund and Founders Fund. With products ranging from briefcase-sized beacon units to Leviathan's massive scale, Armada is positioning itself as a leader in the future of edge computing. As Wright puts it, Leviathan enables AI training at the source of the data and power, a model that's faster, more efficient, and potentially transformative. But will this be enough to outpace global competitors? The race is on. Revolutionizing edge computing. Armada's $131 million funding and Leviathan launch. In a groundbreaking move, Armada, a pioneer in edge computing, has secured a staggering $131 million in funding. This round saw the participation of new investors like Pinegrove, Veritain, and Gladebrook, along with existing supporters such as Founders Fund and Microsoft's M12. But here's where it gets exciting. This financial boost coincides with the unveiling of Leviathan, a robust and modular data center designed for swift deployment in the toughest environments. Leviathan offers megawatt-scale computing power, supporting distributed AI training and inference. It boasts 10 times the computing capacity of Armada's next largest model, significantly advancing American leadership in energy in AI. Leviathan is essentially a supersized version of Armada's Triton data center. Powered by the Armada Edge Platform AEP, it delivers autonomous computing and real-world AI with unmatched speed and reliability. Its scalable design allows it to adapt to varying customer needs and be easily relocated as requirements evolve. Deployable in remote, mission-critical environments, Leviathan can harness stranded natural gas, solar, nuclear, or other alternative energy sources, becoming operational within weeks. This flexibility is a game changer, especially as China seeks to dominate the future of AI and energy supply chains. The U.S. must act swiftly, and Leviathan provides a modular, sovereign infrastructure advantage, enabling leadership in both AI development and the physical systems that support it, all while requiring less infrastructure than traditional data centers. Key quotes: American energy and AI dominance hinges on one thing: moving massive compute to the edge, fast, where data and low-cost power live. Leviathan, the newest member of our Galleon product line, does exactly that. Each unit delivers megawatt-scale performance in a fraction of the time and much more flexibly than traditional data centers, due to their ability to rapidly adapt to changes in AI chips and cooling, and co-locate with all available land and energy, regardless of its form or location. This latest product launch and funding further consider our mission to bridge the digital divide and ensure that the world runs on the American AI stack. Dan Wright, co-founder and CEO of Armada. From day one, we backed Armada because they saw what others missed. America's AI leadership hinges on owning the entire stack, from power and silicon to software, and being able to deploy it anywhere. Leviathan drives that vision forward, expanding the Galleon lineup from suitcase-size edge nodes for lightweight analytics and inference to megawatt-scale modules that can train and serve frontier models in the harshest environments. With a Galleon for every workload, Armada keeps U.S. and allied AI development as a step ahead. Trey Stevens, partner at Founders Fund and early Armada backer. Leviathan embodies our belief that hardware should behave like software, deployable, upgradable, and governed entirely by code. Paired with the turnkey Armada Edge platform and its growing marketplace of AI models and applications, Leviathan's liquid-cooled, energy-agnostic modules deliver megawatt-scale training and inference in weeks, bridging the digital divide by bringing AI straight to the edge, where data and power already live. Pradeep Nair, founding CTO of Armada. But here's the part most people miss. The race for AI dominance is not just about technology. It's about strategic deployment and adaptability. Leviathan's ability to operate in diverse and challenging environments could be the key to maintaining a competitive edge. What do you think? Is Leviathan the game changer the U.S. needs to stay ahead in the AI race? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Armada AI secures $131 million for mobile AI data centers. Founders Fund and Microsoft lead investment. Imagine a future where data can flow seamlessly and adapt to the ever-changing needs of industries like manufacturing and defense. This vision is becoming a reality with Armada, a pioneering startup specializing in mobile AI data centers. Recently, Armada secured an impressive $131 million in funding, illustrating just how extensive the potential applications of artificial intelligence can be. In this funding round, Armada welcomed a mix of new investors, including Pinegrove Capital Partners, Veriton, and Gladebrook Capital Partners. They joined the ranks of seasoned backers like Founders Fund, Lux Capital, Microsoft Corporation's Venture Fund, and Marlin Spike Partners, all of whom have demonstrated their continued confidence in the company. Although the startup chose not to disclose its current valuation, the considerable investment underscores the growing interest in AI-driven technology and its practical implementations. This development raises some intriguing questions about the balance between innovation and cost, especially when it comes to the sprawling needs of data services across various sectors. How will these advances shape the future of industries that are reliant on data, and what implications might they have for job markets and ethical considerations in AI usage? But here's where it gets controversial. Could an over-reliance on mobile data centers risk creating a digital divide where only well-funded companies thrive? Let's engage in a dialogue. What do you think about the impact mobile AI data centers might have on our economy? Do you agree that this presents a revolutionary opportunity, or does it raise more concerns than benefits? Share your thoughts in the comments.